Hello everyone! We are here in San Juan, Batangas because I was invited to make a farm visit and check their goats. It's already late in the afternoon. How I wish I could just go straight to Laiya and have a swim, at least a dip. But of course I can't because I have to work. Now, before we go to the goat barn, I would like to show you my setup whenever I do these farm visits. I have my car here where I can put all the things that I need going out. So I always bring as much as I have already because I wouldn't know what I will really need. And in case of emergency cases, I would be ready. Come check it out! First and foremost, I make sure that I have enough protection, whether it is rainy or sunny. Of course, we always have to have this umbrella. And of course, I have this very nice cap that would give me protection, especially with very sunny days. My first very basic veterinary tool would be my stethoscope. And I have to put them in a very nice case so that it won't get damaged, especially during transport. In my previous episodes, I know that you have already witnessed me using this stethoscope and also giving a product review about the supplier of the case. I have several tackle boxes here with different purposes or different groups of materials that I need for every visit. This would be my basic tackle box, of which I have most of my essentials. We have to have this small alcohol bottle, and I have this thermometer here. I actually have two, if in case one would be faulty. And my very backup is I still use mercury. If in case I have faulty batteries, I have this bandage scissor, so at least it would help me cut whatever I need to. I have my handy soap. I have a box where I can put a small amount of cotton and my different needles. I have all sorts coming from the stainless steel needles, which sometimes I also use as stroker, and the usual hypodermic needles. I have various sizes. This is also where I keep my stamp. And the other antiseptic solution, so we have hydrogen peroxide and also povidone iodine. I have a separate toolbox where I keep most of my anesthetics. This would be including local anesthesia such as lidocaine or just sedatives such as ispromycin, and finally we have for general anesthesia Soletil. And I also have my cannula here, which I will be needing for intravenous infusions of medication. I have a soldering iron in case I would need something to cauterize during surgery, and some bottles for intra or post-operative medication. My third tackle box would be my laboratory tackle box, wherein I keep all my paraphernalia needed for sampling. This is the tackle box where I keep my tubes, so I can be ready anytime I need to do blood collection. I am actually also equipped to do the simple hematology, so this is the improved Neubauer hemocytometer. And then some basic stuff like we have this tissue here, and then some cotton tips, a marker, and we also have this pipettes needed for the hematology. We have microscope slides, of course, and we have cover sticks here. I always bring my ultrasound, so this is just handheld, so it's very easy to transport anytime. I have a big tackle box right down here where I also put my medications that I need. So we have various types. We have dewormers, we have antibiotics, and electrolytes for intravenous purposes, like this one. We have anti-inflammatory oral drops. We have ophthalmic drops as well. We also have for wound spray and so forth. Finally, I have one here, a medium tackle box. This is just a loose box where I keep the miscellaneous stuff. It's where I keep my ultrasound gel, all the other excess needles that I would be needing. I also have here my prescription pads. In any case, I would need to warm up a patient. This would come very handy. And we have this long sleeve gloves when I have to do rectal palpation for pregnancy diagnosis. I also have here a vaginal speculum, again for reproductive purposes, an examination. In case I need to intubate, so we have this tube here too. Just excess face mask. Then my intravenous line. Of course, I will bring my laptop in case I have to record something. Let's not forget my negative test for COVID-19. And also a board to help me write things down easily. I have other stuff at the back of my vehicle, so please join me. I also always bring this handy weighing scale. For deworming purposes, we have to have that right dosage. And this would be my last bag. I have here another weighing scale if in case we have to weigh in bigger animals. I bring my reflectometer with me as well in case I need to do that on-site examination for the serum or urine of patients for total protein and specific gravity. I have this handy hair clipper which I always use when I do ultrasonography. And in this pouch, we have the Otoscope, which I just attached with my Android phone so that I can easily check the internal parts of the ears of the patient. Right in here are two of my pouches where I keep my surgical instruments, and I have separated them out depending on the use. This green pouch would have all the tools that I use for dental prophylaxis, and then the ones inside here, so this is actually a case that you also use for diving, so it's very, very safe. These are all the things you would need for surgery. Like we have several for clamps, and anesthesia forceps, and the hemostat forceps. And this would be the pouch where you keep the other scissors and the thumb forceps. And that's it for this video. Now you've seen how I prepare all my tools for my routine farm visit. I hope you learned something, even as simple as doing your preparation to be ready in doing all your farm works. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you learned something and if you appreciate this video, please put them in the comment box down below. Please don't forget to share. Thank you so much. Goodbye.